Calibrating the touch screen on a Zebra printer with a color touch display. In this video, you will learn how to calibrate the color touch display using the Calibrate setting. A ZT231 industrial printer is used for this example, but the color touch display is common across multiple Zebra platforms, and the process to calibrate the screen is the same. From the printer home screen, touch menu. From the system screen, touch settings. Now touch screen calibration. Screen calibration opens, and there are 5 crosshairs displayed. Touch each crosshair in the center. As you touch the crosshairs, you will see that they change colors. When you touch the 5th crosshair, the screen calibration is complete.